We're talking about the health care coverage offered through Covered California. To that end, I am live with Jessica Altman, Executive Director of Covered California. As the clock ticks down, the time left to sign up for this kind of help. Jessica, good morning to you.
Good morning. 12 hours and 47 minutes left.
There
Not that
we
I'm
go.
counting.
Not that nobody's counting. Nobody's counting. As you mentioned, enrollment runs through midnight, and if folks follow through, coverage starts tomorrow, which is a pretty good deal. You've had great response so far, right? 240,000 new people signing on to all of this as of the 29th.
Yeah, we're really excited to see the level of interest, the level of enrollment, 240,000 new enrollees on top of over 1.5 million who have renewed for another year. And so to see those numbers in what is actually Covered California's 10th open enrollment, a decade of providing access to quality, affordable coverage, it's really exciting to see, and we're excited to get so many Californians covered.
2 out of every 3 enrollees can get covered for $10 a month or less. For those of us who have coverage through our employers, nothing is $10. So how are you able to do that?
Yeah, so we are California's state-based health insurance marketplace. We are where Californians can come to compare quality, affordable, comprehensive health insurance plan. But most relevantly to that question, we are also the only place in California where you can come to receive financial assistance to help you afford that monthly premium. And as you noted, 2/3 of those we cover can find a plan that will cost them $10 or less per month. 90% of the people that we cover are receiving financial assistance. So this really, because of new laws that were passed in recent years, increasing what we can make available has brought coverage more within reach than it has ever been before, and it's showing in the numbers.
Definitely. Now, figuring out what plan is right for you can be a challenge no matter where you're looking for it, but there are certified enrollers that can meet with you that can help with this.
That's right. We have over 11,000 certified enrollment partners, both agents and community-based organizations all across the state who can help answer your question. And that's true today, and it was true through open enrollment, but it's also true throughout the year. And these individuals are in your community. If you prefer a language other than English, we have individuals who can help in language. We really want to be here for Californians in any way we can to support them in getting covered.
That is definitely something that a lot of people are very concerned about, because when you want to ask questions, you want to be able to do it in a language that you understand. So the fact that that resource is there, I'm sure very reassuring for folks. Now, people who can't afford health insurance but choose to go without it could face a penalty when they file their taxes with the California Franchise Tax Board in 2024, and that penalty could be a minimum of $2,550 for a family of 4. Clearly, we want to avoid that, right?
Yeah, and I would just encourage those of you out there who are considering foregoing coverage or who think this isn't for me. Again, health insurance is more within reach than ever before, but because there is that financial penalty associated with maintaining coverage, you should really compare the cost, do that cost benefit analysis. Think about what you get with coverage, the peace of mind, the access to preventive healthcare services at no cost through all of our plans, access to all of the essential health benefits. This is about preparing yourself, your family for the future, and investing in your health so that even if you're healthy today, you can stay healthy into the future.
Definitely, and I think I know the whole world got an example of what can happen out of the blue when we all learned about COVID and realized all the different ways that could definitely affect someone. So, it is a better idea to be prepared for something like that, like what you're talking about. So for someone to get started, they just need to call Covered California at 1-800-300-1506.
You can absolutely do that. You can also, if you are tech savvy, you can actually do the whole process online. Our website is coveredca.com. You can enroll through our online application. You can also chat us if you have some questions as you go through the process. So really, whatever you prefer, if you can do it all on your own, awesome. If you need assistance, we are here for you, and call us anytime.
All righty. Well, thank you so much. Again, tonight, the deadline, midnight, for signing up for coverage. But if you want it, they will give it to you, and it starts tomorrow. We appreciate you so much for being here, Jessica.
Thank you. And you still have time to enroll today. So please do if you need us.
Yes, definitely.